How to find who can see my super follow list on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can see my super follow list on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here just click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and then just click this one, who can see my super follow list. And as you see here, you can manage who can see your super follow list on Likee app. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.